Yes, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will discuss about the options available to the students who are interested to study in the UK for January intake. This intake is nearly to be closed in few days, but we still have options for the students who have not started their bank statement yet, who have not started their admission process yet. As we all know, that 28 days bank statement is required for the universities to process the cash. So every student who has not started the bank statement must be worried about this fact, and he must be thinking about not to proceed for January intake. But we strongly recommend you to proceed for the January intake, and we have multiple options for you. We have universities on our panel which universities do not require a bank statement of 28 days for the issuance cash, and those universities even don't require the credibility interview from the students before the issuance of cash. So if you have not started the process, you have not started the bank statement, so the immediate step you need to do is to start your bank statement, and meanwhile apply admission in those universities which do not require 28 days mature bank statement. So meanwhile your admission will be finalized and you will get the cash without the 28 days bank statement, and once your bank statement will be matured, you can immediately file the visa. If you will adopt this procedure, it will help you to achieve the January intake. And I think for those students who will go with this pathway, they have sufficient time to catch this January intake. So hurry up your process, as the time is short for January intake, though we will have many universities which are offering May intake as well. But I will not recommend to delay your process for May intake. The reason is because we are watching a huge number of applications for UK, because as we all know, Australia has a very low visa success ratio from Pakistan. Canada has stopped its SDS program from Pakistan and from other countries as well. So right now, every student who wants to proceed with certain level of surety, his only priority is the UK. So for this reason, we strongly recommend to immediately start your process. If you are willing to go to the UK, don't delay your process for May intake, as we are not sure what will be the outcome of the visa applications in the coming year. Last year they have 7,98,000 student visas enrollments in the UK, and this year we expect that this number will increase as well. When there will be more applications for visas, Immigration Department will have a more discretion to refuse and accept the applications. With this scenario in the coming year, we strongly recommend you should proceed your application for January intake as soon as possible, so you can avoid the closure of the January intake. Thank you very much for your time, and we are here to support you for all kind of application you are interested.